So we're ready now to check out from this room, and let's kind of walk to museum station, and after that, sakay tag train going to the domestic airport sa Sydney. And wala, let's see how it goes sa Virgin Australia na lounge. Kaya dito ta maghulat while waiting for Kaya dito ta maghulat sa itong flight, which is at 4 p.m. paunta. But it's time check. Alas 11:05 pa lang. Okay? Right, so see you guys.
Hello folks, welcome to our very first documented trip report. Today, we are flying Virgin Australia flight VA957 from Sydney to Brisbane here in Australia with a 7-year-old Boeing 737 aircraft. We are currently at the Sydney Kingsford Smith Airport Domestic Terminal 2, ready for check-in. To cut the queue, we will use the self-check-in counter for Virgin Australia. Right after the bag drop and security check, we will now proceed to the Virgin Australia Lounge, which is located after the main security checkpoint. Since our bid to be upgraded to a business class seat was awarded, we can enter the lounge and enjoy the overflowing food and beverage service until our boarding.
For Virgin Australia flight VA957 to Brisbane will begin shortly and close 10 minutes before departure.
Thank you.
Here.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Welcome to business. 2D. Honestly, I like this one. Once again, everybody, this is a full flight heading up to Brisbane this afternoon. Just to help save that game of Tetris at the very end of boarding.
There is a free high-speed internet passes for business and platinum guests, and it starts from 9.75 Australian dollars for the rest of the passengers. However, recent movies, TV shows, and podcasts are provided free entertainment for everyone. 30-minute pass will cost you 9.75 Australian dollars. Flight pass is at 14.95 Australian dollars, which will last for the whole duration of the flight. Definitely, we tried to access. However, to be frank, it was a limited connection. But the free entertainment works well. Business class passengers were actually provided a welcome drink right after the boarding. I took a glass of sparkling wine. Also, a full meal was served, even it is only for an hour to fly. So what we have today? It was not a common chicken or beef. We grabbed curd chicken cuts with long grain rice, cheese and crackers, a bite of chocolate, and a glass of champagne. Well, it was delicious. Before landing, we went to the lavatory. They had a little garment hook behind the door. Facial tissue, hand soap, it smells good. Toilet paper, of course. Covered sanitary bins. And the legroom for the toilet was impressive on a little space coming from a 5 foot 8 inches Filipino. Overall, thumbs up. Thank you for joining us in today's flight with Virgin Australia from Sydney Kingsford Smith Airport, coming here in Brisbane, Australia via flight VA957 on Boeing 737, registered as Yankee Foxtrot Whiskey. The aircraft has been delivered from Seattle, USA to Brisbane, Australia on July 2016. It has been named as Turquoise Bay. Until here, folks, and see you in the next one.